city lights are fading, the streets are calm tonight. Raindrops hum a gentle tune beneath the silver light. I close my eyes and listen to the melody they play. Every drop's a comfort, washing pain away. In the quiet rain, I find my peace again. Every drop's a song, healing where I've been. Softly through the night, shadows disappear. In the quiet rain, I feel you near. The thunder whispers softly, but never sounds unkind. It's like the sky is telling me to leave the past behind. The rhythm on the rooftop, a lullaby so sweet, guiding me to places where broken hearts can meet. In the quiet rain, I find my peace again. Every drop's a song, healing where I've been. Softly through the night, shadows disappear. In the quiet rain, I feel you near. And though the storm is strong, I'm stronger than I knew. The raindrops wash my soul, they bring me back to you. Not the you I lost, but the strength I find inside. The quiet rain reminds me I'll be yours.